Hi everyone, earning a certificate out of the course can get your resume selected, but in order to have a career, you need to justify what you have earned. Keeping this fact in mind, at Doon Business School, whenever a value-added course gets delivered, it's always a guided project. The guided project is under the supervised learning, where the students are given hands-on experiences. Now in this era where everybody is talking about the generative AI in the management program, specifically when it comes to Doon Business School, we are not confined within the boundaries of only the coding and programming, because most of the students do not have the technical background, those who feel coding is a great job. So now the AI helps such kind of students, those who do not have any technical background. At Doon Business School, we have come up with very advanced value-added courses like Alteryx, like SAP simulations, and visualization programs like Tableau and RapidMiner. So these programs have all the capabilities what the conventional AI has been doing. But there is one advantage over all of above them. This is the generative coding. So Alteryx is one of the upcoming softwares which is having such kind of capabilities. At Doon Business School, all the things which are being done under Python and R now you can done with a very easy canvas drops with the Alteryx. Similarly, when you have to understand a business situation, so you have to get involved in the process itself. You have to experience. Keeping this experiential learning in the mind, at Doon Business School, we have inculcated one of the programs called SAP Simulations with the help of HEC Montreal. Both the companies have created an amazing platform where the students get into the shoes of various roles like finance manager, marketing manager, sales manager, and eventually the simulation creates an environment where they exploit their skills in the simulative environment. And there are other things like, say, the top management does not want to deal with the nitty-gritties of any analytics. They are really excited about the visualization. At Doon Business School, we are giving courses under the visualizations like Tableau, like Power BI, Google Studio, RapidMiner, and these visualization tools are opening a wide range of arena for the various careers for our management graduates.